Are you tired of chalky residue on your faucets, dull laundry, and skin that feels dry no matter how much you moisturize? Have you noticed your appliances losing efficiency or breaking down sooner than they should? If you've ever wondered why your water leaves spots, tastes odd, or just doesn't feel right, you're not alone. Hard water is a common household challenge, but the right water softener can transform your home's water, making it gentler on your skin, appliances, and wallet. Today, I'll be counting down the 7 best water softener systems available, sharing my hands-on experience after testing each one. Whether you're looking for something simple or a high-tech hybrid, you'll find the perfect fit for your home. Let's dive in. 7. Aquasure Harmony Series. The Aquasure Harmony Series is a popular entry-level choice for those seeking reliable water softening without breaking the bank. After setting up this system in a mid-sized home, I immediately noticed a reduction in hard water stains and a smoother feel to the water. The 48,000 grain capacity is more than enough for families of up to 5, and the digital control head offers straightforward programming with a bright, easy-to-read display. One thing I appreciated about the Harmony series was its metered regeneration, which only runs cycles when necessary, saving both salt and water in the long run. The brine tank is generously sized, meaning you won't be refilling salt every week, and the wide mouth design makes it easy to pour in new pellets. Installation was relatively simple, even for a DIYer, and the included bypass valve allows for maintenance without shutting off your home's water supply. However, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. The brine tank, while spacious, becomes quite heavy when moving it for cleaning or repositioning can be a hassle, especially if you're working alone or have limited space in your utility area. The system itself is also on the larger side, which could be an issue for homes with tight quarters. During my test, I found that while the unit was effective at reducing scale and improving water quality, it lacks some of the advanced features and connectivity found in higher-end models. Another minor gripe is the lack of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi integration. In an age where smart home devices are becoming the norm, the Harmony series feels a bit dated in terms of tech. 6. DURAWATER Fleck 5600 SXT. Moving up, the DURAWATER Fleck 5600 SXT is a tried-and-true workhorse that's been a staple in many homes for years. After installing and running this system, I found it to be dependable and effective at softening water for families with moderate hardness levels. The digital control head is intuitive, offering 4 modes of operation and a large LCD display for easy monitoring. One of the standout features is the 10% cross-linked resin, which is more resistant to chlorine and promises a longer lifespan than standard resin beads. The meter demand regeneration is a big plus, as it tracks your actual water usage and only regenerates when needed, saving both salt and water. The double backwash feature ensures the resin is thoroughly cleaned, maintaining consistent performance. However, the Fleck 5600 SXT is not without its shortcomings. First, it's not well suited for areas with extremely hard water. If your water hardness exceeds the system's grain capacity, you may find yourself running frequent regeneration cycles, which can waste water and salt. The system is also somewhat bulky, so space could be a concern for smaller homes. Another issue is the lack of smart features. There's no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, so you can't monitor or adjust the system remotely. For tech-savvy homeowners, this might be a letdown. Also, there are many OEMs assembling Fleck-based systems, which can make it confusing to ensure you're getting the exact features or specifications you want. Number 5. Aquasure Whole House 48,000 Grain Water Softener. Stepping up to the Aquasure Whole House 48,000 Grain Water Softener, I found this system to be a comprehensive solution for families looking for both water softening and filtration. The standout feature here is its integrated UV sterilizer, which adds an extra layer of protection against bacteria and viruses, a major plus for homes using well water or those concerned about waterborne contaminants. The installation process was smooth thanks to clear instructions and a well-designed kit. Once up and running, the system delivered consistently soft water throughout the house. I noticed immediate improvements in laundry softness, cleaner dishes, and a reduction in soap scum in the bathroom. The digital control head is user-friendly, and the system's high-capacity resin ensures it can handle the demands of a busy household. One of the things I appreciated most was the low maintenance required. The brine tank is easy to refill, and the system's self-cleaning capabilities help keep it running efficiently with minimal intervention. The UV feature is a game changer, providing peace of mind for families who want both soft and safe water. While the system is larger than some competitors, the performance and added filtration make up for the extra space it occupies. The upfront cost is higher, but considering the dual functionality and robust warranty, it's a worthwhile investment for those seeking a complete water treatment solution. Number 4. SoftPro Elite HE Water Softener. The SoftPro Elite HE Water Softener is a standout for efficiency and ease of use. After testing this unit, I was impressed by its upflow regeneration technology, which uses significantly less salt and water compared to traditional systems. This not only saves money, but also reduces environmental impact, a feature that's becoming increasingly important for eco-conscious homeowners. The digital control head is intuitive, with a clear LCD screen and automatic settings that make operation a breeze. I love the vacation mode, which conserves resources when you're away, and the brine tank guard that prevents overflow. The 10% resin is durable, and the system is designed for high flow rates, ensuring no drop in water pressure even during peak usage. Installation was straightforward, though the preloaded resin tank is quite heavy. Having an extra set of hands is helpful. The brine tank does take up more floor space than some compact models, but the trade-off is less frequent refilling and more consistent performance. What sets the SoftPro Elite apart is its lifetime warranty and strong customer support. It's built to last, with premium materials and thoughtful design touches throughout. While the initial investment is higher than entry-level models, the long-term savings in salt, water, and maintenance make it a smart choice for families who want hassle-free, efficient water softening. 3. Springwelwater Salt-Based Water Softener System. The Springwelwater Salt-Based Water Softener System brings modern technology to a proven process. During my time with this system, I was particularly impressed by the Bluetooth-enabled control head, which allows you to monitor and adjust settings from your phone. This level of convenience is hard to beat, especially for busy households. Performance-wise, the Springwelwater system excels at removing calcium and magnesium, completely eliminating limescale buildup and improving the feel of water for bathing, cleaning, and laundry. The high-quality 10% cross-link resin ensures long-lasting effectiveness, and the metered regeneration means you're only using salt and water when necessary. The installation process was manageable, though you'll need to source some additional piping and fittings. Once set up, the system ran quietly and efficiently, with no noticeable drop in water pressure. The lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee provide added peace of mind, making this a risk-free investment. One minor downside is the system's size. It's not the most compact option, so make sure you have adequate space. Additionally, while the system is designed for both municipal and well water, those on well water will need a sediment pre-filter to prevent damage. Overall, the Springwelwater Salt-Based Water Softener System is a top performer, blending classic ion exchange technology with smart features for today's homes. 2. FutureSoft Salt-Free Water Conditioner. For those seeking a low-maintenance, eco-friendly alternative, the FutureSoft Salt-Free Water Conditioner is a revelation. Unlike traditional softeners, this system doesn't remove minerals, but instead uses template-assisted crystallization to prevent scale from forming on pipes and appliances. After installing and testing the FutureSoft, I noticed a significant reduction in limescale, and any spots that did appear wiped away easily. One of the biggest advantages is the lack of salt and water waste. There's no brine tank to refill, no regeneration cycles, and no electricity required. This makes the FutureSoft an excellent choice for those looking to minimize their environmental footprint and ongoing maintenance costs. The water retains beneficial minerals, so you don't get the slippery feel of salt-softened water, which some people actually prefer. Installation was straightforward, and the system's compact design fits easily in most utility spaces. While it's not as effective as salt-based systems for extremely hard water, it's perfect for homes with moderate hardness or those on municipal water. The FutureSoft is also a great option for anyone with health concerns about added sodium in their water. The only real downside is that you may still notice some minor mineral spotting, especially in areas with very hard water. But for most households, the convenience, environmental benefits, and long-term savings make the FutureSoft salt-free water conditioner an outstanding choice. 1. Matrixx-Hybrid Filter and Smart Water Softener. At the top of the list is the Matrixx-Hybrid Filter and Smart Water Softener, a true all-in-one solution that combines powerful water softening with advanced filtration. After installing this system, the difference was immediate. Water tasted cleaner, felt softer, and appliances ran more efficiently. The hybrid design means you get both a carbon filter for removing chlorine, chloramine, and other chemicals, and a high-capacity resin bed for softening. One of the standout features is the smart Bluetooth-enabled control head, which makes programming and monitoring effortless from your smartphone. StackFlow technology delivers high flow rates with minimal pressure drop, and the system is engineered to use up to 70% less salt and water than traditional models. The flood prevention feature is a unique safety addition, protecting your home during power outages. The Matrixx-Hybrid is built to last, with a lifetime warranty on tanks and resin, and a 10-year warranty on the valve and electronics. The system is made in the USA, and the build quality is evident in every component. While installation is best left to a professional due to the system's complexity, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial setup effort. Some users have reported minor issues, such as a noisy regeneration cycle or cosmetic concerns with the chrome shroud, but these are rare and do not detract from the system's overall excellence. If you want the best of both worlds, soft, filtered, and great-tasting water with minimal maintenance, the Matrixx-Hybrid is the ultimate choice. Final thought. So whether you're battling stubborn limescale, want to protect your appliances, or simply crave better-tasting water, there's a water softener on this list for you. From budget-friendly basics to high-tech hybrids, these systems have been tested and proven to deliver real results. Don't let hard water hold you back. Make the switch and experience the difference for yourself.